This creekfront estate offers the perfect blend of luxury living and outdoor amenities. Nestled in the country, it spans nearly 7.5 acres. Follow the long drive to the captivating home, complete with a guest house. Entertain on your 3,800 square foot Trex deck, your own private oasis. Or follow the meandering trails to the relaxing Cedar Creek. The covered front porch welcomes you to this completely remodeled home of nearly 3,600 square feet. Loaded with modern updates, it's beautifully designed with a pellet stove, skylights, and reclaimed wood accents. Head out to the Trex deck, perfect for large gatherings, and unwind in the hot tub. The chef's kitchen features a large island, granite counters, and stainless steel appliances. You'll find a private dining room and a main-level vaulted primary suite with a slider to the deck and hot tub. The well-appointed bath includes a soaking tub, tiled shower, and a walk-in closet. Upstairs, you'll find 4 more generous bedrooms, even a secret entrance to a hidden space. You'll enjoy other features including tons of storage, gig-speed internet, AC, and much more. Plus another full bath, beautiful flooring in the garage with an accent wall. Make memories while enjoying drinks at the built-in bar. And roasting marshmallows on quiet evenings. The charming and versatile guest house of nearly 770 square feet is filled with natural light. It includes a full kitchen, laundry, 1 bedroom, AC, and a full bath. From here, you can head out to the pergola for fun gatherings or just connecting to nature. Explore the peace and tranquility of your own 460 feet of private Cedar Creek frontage, ideal for nature walks or just relaxing by the water. The fenced garden area makes it easy to embrace sustainable living, and you'll find dozens of mature fruit trees and berry bushes. An exceptional estate, only 5 minutes to downtown Sandy, 45 minutes to Portland, and 30 minutes to Mount Hood's recreational options. It's all here, ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Kyle Ball with Premier Property Group.